Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and today I'd like to talk to you about a really exciting and important advancement in your gut health. Now, as you know, there are a wide variety of factors that can damage your gut bacteria. And you probably know most of them, but let me review some of the major ones. Antibiotics, of course, are at the top of the list. Not only the ones you take, but really importantly, the ones that are hidden in the 𝗱𝗶𝗴 That's 80% of the antibiotics used. Sugar is another factor that fuels the growth of disease-causing microbes. Processed foods, especially industrially processed omega-6 vegetable oils, and this, yes folks, this includes safflower and sunflower oils. And the water you drink, if you're drinking tap water, it's fluorinated and chlorinated, and this will damage your gut flora. And of course, stress. Now, one of the best ways to restore and replenish your gut flora is with soil-based organisms. However, with today's focus on cleanliness and sanitation, few of us are even ever actually touching dirt, much less eating it. So this has led to a giant step backwards for your gut health because your gut flora depends on having the proper balance between beneficial bacteria and disease-causing pathogenic bacteria. So when your gut flora falls out of balance, your gut lining can become compromised, which leads to negative health effects. Now, our complete AFTERBIOTICS presents a trifecta approach to improving your gut health by combining the power of soil-based bacillus spores, probiotic yeast, and a unique resilient probiotic strain known as 𝗵𝘃𝗁𝗂𝗁. Now, all these microorganisms help protect your gut microbiome and strengthen your protective intestinal barrier. Now, each and every capsule dose of our complete AFTERBIOTICS provides at least 18 billion CFUs or colony-forming units of these probiotics in a special blend of citrus created from orange and grapefruit whole fruit extracts. Now, this citrus blend isn't just a base. It actually releases active flavonoids that serve as antioxidants in your colon to support a healthy inflammatory response. Now, this promotes a positive shift in your gut flora that leads to an increase in beneficial short-chain fatty acids, such as butyrate, which supports your gut barrier and immune response. Now, each one of the complete AFTERBIOTICS components stands on its own to powerfully support your gut health. But the combination of all three types of probiotics in one formula is an incredible synergy to supercharge your gut health. So I invite you to take control of your health by optimizing your gut health with our complete AFTERBIOTICS.